Summer holidays are here, a mix of joy and chaos every mother knows too well. As the days grow longer, so does our list of worries. How do we keep our teenagers away from endless hours on their phones? How do we ensure they don't fall behind on their schoolwork, stay healthy, and still make the most of this precious break? As a mother of 5, I've been through it all. The constant battles over screen time, the never-ending "I'm bored" complaints, and the struggle to create a routine that works. But don't worry. Today, I'm excited to share powerful, easy-to-follow tips that will help you turn this summer into a time of growth, joy, and success for your teens or even younger kids. Let's get started. 1. Create a timetable. First things first, a structured routine is a lifesaver. Sit down with your teenager and plan a timetable that balances everything like study, Islamic studies, physical activities, creative hobbies, and family bonding. Include time for family activities, reading, and skill development. It might take a few days to stick to it, but consistency is key. Trust me, once they're on a schedule, you'll see a positive change in their attitude and productivity. When my kids follow a schedule, they not only achieve more, but feel more accomplished and less dependent on gadgets. 2. Physical activities are a must. Idle teens are cranky teens. Encourage them to stay active with regular exercise like walking, swimming, hiking, or even joining a local sports club or a gym. My eldest son loves swimming while my youngest is into cycling. Find what they enjoy and make it a regular part of their routine. Physical activity not only keeps them fit, but also helps reduce screen time. Find what excites your teen and make it a part of their daily routine. For us, family hikes on the weekends are a wonderful way to spend time together and reflect on the beauty of Allah's creation. What activity can you try with your family this week? Share your ideas in the comments. 3. Assign responsibilities. Teenagers thrive on responsibility. Responsibility builds character. Assign your teens small but meaningful tasks like watering the plants, preparing evening tea, or even ironing clothes. These activities give them a sense of purpose. They will feel more self-confident, capable, valued, and in control of their life. My daughter is in charge of tidying up the living room, and my son makes sure our plants are watered daily. It's a great way to teach them life skills, and the key is to make them feel their contributions matter. What responsibilities do you assign your teen? Share any 2 in the comments below. 4. Foster a love for reading. Books can be magical for teenagers. Pick an inspiring book, read it together, and then discuss what you've learned. It's a great way to bond as a family while broadening their horizons. Just last week, my family read The Sealed Nectar together, and the discussions we had deepened our understanding of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his sacrifices. Parents, what's the one book you think every Muslim teen should read this summer? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Let's inspire each other. 5. Teach creative writing. Help them express themselves through writing. Creative writing is an excellent way to enhance critical thinking and self-expression. Give them topics to write about like a favorite memory, a dream destination, what makes a good Muslim leader, or a world without technology, and encourage them to share their thoughts. My teen recently wrote about overcoming challenges as a Muslim student in the West. It was eye-opening for both of us. 6. Focus on problem-solving skills. Teenagers need to learn how to handle real-life situations, give them hypothetical problems, and ask how they would solve them. For example, what would you do if you lost your wallet in a crowded place? And brainstorm solutions together. This builds their confidence and helps them develop a mindset of resilience and adaptability, traits every kid needs in today's world. Ya Allah, grant our children wisdom, creativity, and strength to overcome every challenge. Ameen. 7. Skill development and introduce freelancing. Summer is the perfect time to focus on skill building and freelancing skills. Whether it's painting, cooking, graphic designing, coding, or gardening, help your teen polish their talents. My daughter is passionate about baking, and we spent the last summer perfecting her cake recipes. It was fun and beautiful experience. My son recently took a beginner's course in video editing, and now he is creating fun Islamic videos. These skills are valuable and can even turn into future career opportunities. What freelancing skill do you think teens should excel in? Share your thoughts, and if you're enjoying these tips, make sure to subscribe. 8. Strengthen religious connection. Summer is the perfect time to nurture their spiritual side. Dedicate time for Quran recitation, learning tafsir, and reflecting on the lessons from the stories of the prophets. You can even organize a family halaqah to discuss how these lessons apply to our lives in the modern world. What small spiritual habit will you start with your family this summer? In our home, we began a daily habit of learning one name of Allah and reflecting on its meaning. It's brought us closer to our deen and each other. If this point inspires you, give this video a thumbs up. 9. Build emotional bonds. Teenagers face emotional and physical changes that can make them feel isolated. It's crucial to keep them close and build trust. Be their safe space. When my son shared his struggle with peer pressure, we had an open discussion about it. That moment of trust strengthened our bond immensely. You can even share your own challenges with them and seek their advice. This way, kids will feel valued and appreciated. 10. Appreciate and encourage. Finally, always appreciate their efforts and celebrate their achievements, no matter how small. Avoid harsh criticism and focus on constructive discussions. My youngest struggled with a science project, and instead of pointing out what went wrong, we worked on it together. The result? A happy, motivated teen who felt supported. Remember, your words can either uplift or discourage. Drop a heart emoji in the comments and share the uplifting words you'll say to your child today. It might inspire other moms too. So, mothers, summer holidays don't have to be chaotic. With these thoughtful and creative activities, you can make this time joyful, productive, and memorable for your teens. Remember, your involvement and encouragement make all the difference. So start today and see the difference in your family's life. Don't forget to like this video, share it with other moms, and subscribe for more tips to make Islamic parenting easier.